Relationship marketing, and I'm not talking about the spammy MLM approach of marketing, right? Where like you're leveraging your friends and your friends, to get sales. No, that's not what I mean. What I mean is that your marketing should be focused on creating real conversations and building real relationships. The days of connect and spam are over. So instead, we need to build real relationships, have real conversations. I've said this before, I'll say it again. Authentic conversations drive sales. That's worth saying again slowly. Authentic conversations drive sales. So investing in relationships is always going to pay dividends. They're going to help you make sales. They'll help you build a fan base. It's going to help you retain clients. Like, it makes your whole life better, right? And then with relationship marketing, the way you want to approach this is you want to leverage value, adding value to their life as the catalyst for a sales conversation, right? So we'll talk more about adding value in a second, but the big takeaway here is that you can talk about sales quickly if you add value quickly, right? Drive the sales conversation by first adding value and then using that as your foot in the door to talk about finding a solution for their needs. I had a coach that had an example of this where he would say, if someone was hanging off the side of a cliff and you walk by and you had a rope, you don't have to, build your like trust factor. You can just say, hey, I've got a rope. You want to buy it? Because they're on the edge of the cliff. They want the rope, and you're going to do more service to them throwing the rope than being like, hey, how you doing? What's up? So like, hey, how you doing down there? What's your hobbies? Right? Like, add value first. Hey, I've got a strong rope. You want me to throw it down to you? It's $20. Yes, please. I got $20. Let's do it. Or $2,000 or whatever it is, right? Add value first. Use that as a catalyst for the conversation.